Conflict resolution strategies in water resource governance. Conflict resolution strategies in water resource governance. Water is a precious and essential resource that sustains life and development on our planet. As the global population continues to grow and human activities expand, the demand for water resources has increased, leading to potential conflicts over its allocation and management. In this context, effective conflict resolution strategies are crucial to ensure sustainable water resource governance. This article delves into the various conflict resolution strategies employed in water resource governance to address disputes and ensure the equitable and efficient use of this vital resource. Understanding water resource conflicts. These conflicts can manifest in various ways, such as disagreements over water allocation, pollution control, water rights, and infrastructure development. Managing these conflicts is essential to prevent adverse impacts on ecosystems, communities, and economies. Negotiation and collaboration. Negotiation and collaboration are fundamental conflict resolution strategies in water resource governance. Stakeholders with varying interests and needs must engage in constructive dialogues to reach mutually beneficial agreements. These negotiations often involve government agencies, industries, local communities, and environmental organizations. By bringing diverse perspectives to the table, negotiations can lead to solutions that balance economic development, social equity, and environmental protection. Collaborative approaches, such as joint fact-finding and stakeholder workshops, help build trust and facilitate the exchange of information. Transparent communication and data sharing are essential to inform decision-making processes and develop solutions that are acceptable to all parties involved. Integrated Water Resources Management, IRM. Integrated Water Resources Management, IRM, is a holistic approach to water resource governance that considers social, economic, and environmental factors. IRM aims to coordinate the management of water across different sectors, such as agriculture, industry, and urban development, to minimize conflicts and optimize water use. This strategy emphasizes the participation of all stakeholders in decision-making processes and encourages the sustainable use of water resources. IRM promotes the integration of traditional knowledge, scientific research, and technological innovations to ensure that water allocation is equitable and efficient. By taking a comprehensive view of water management, IRM helps prevent conflicts by addressing potential issues before they escalate. Institutional reforms and legal frameworks. Establishing clear legal frameworks and institutional structures is essential for effective water resource governance. These frameworks define water rights, allocation mechanisms, and dispute resolution processes. When conflicts arise, legal frameworks provide a basis for addressing disputes in a fair and consistent manner. Institutional reforms involve the restructuring of existing governance systems to better accommodate changing demands and ensure the representation of all stakeholders. Strong institutions can mediate conflicts, enforce regulations, and promote cooperation among users. By enhancing the capacity of institutions to manage water resources, conflicts can be preemptively minimized, and sustainable water governance can be achieved. Transboundary water management. Many water resources cross political boundaries, leading to potential conflicts between neighboring countries. Transboundary water management requires international cooperation and diplomatic negotiations to ensure equitable sharing and sustainable use of these resources. Diplomatic channels, international treaties, and bilateral agreements play a vital role in resolving conflicts over shared water bodies. The creation of joint committees, composed of representatives from all parties involved, can facilitate ongoing communication and collaboration. public participation and awareness. Including local communities and the public in water resource management decisions can lead to more effective conflict resolution. When stakeholders have a voice in the decision-making process, they are more likely to support and comply with the outcomes. Public participation helps identify concerns and perspectives that might otherwise be overlooked, leading to more comprehensive and sustainable solutions. Educational campaigns and awareness programs can inform the public about the value of water resources and the importance of their responsible use. By fostering a sense of stewardship and encouraging behavioral changes, these efforts contribute to reducing water-related conflicts and promoting long-term conservation. Alternative dispute resolution, ADR. In cases where conflicts escalate and traditional negotiation processes prove insufficient, alternative dispute resolution methods can be employed. ADR includes techniques such as mediation, arbitration, and facilitated negotiation. These approaches provide neutral third parties who help guide discussions and facilitate agreements between conflicting parties. Mediation, for example, involves a mediator who assists parties in finding common ground and crafting mutually acceptable solutions. Arbitration, on the other hand, involves a neutral arbitrator who makes a binding decision based on the arguments presented by both sides. ADR methods offer a more flexible and cost-effective way to resolve conflicts compared to lengthy legal proceedings. Conclusion: water resource conflicts are complex and multifaceted, often arising from competing interests and differing perspectives on water use and management. Effective conflict resolution strategies in water resource governance require a combination of negotiation, collaboration, legal frameworks, and public participation. Integrated approaches like IRM can help prevent conflicts by considering all relevant factors and promoting sustainable practices. Adapting to changing conditions. As the global climate continues to change, the dynamics of water availability are shifting, leading to new challenges in water resource governance. Droughts, floods, and changing precipitation patterns can exacerbate existing conflicts and create new ones. To effectively manage these evolving challenges, adaptive management strategies must be integrated into conflict resolution efforts. Adaptive management involves continuously monitoring the state of water resources and adjusting management strategies in response to new information and changing conditions. This approach acknowledges that uncertainty is inherent in water management and encourages flexibility in decision-making. By regularly reassessing the effectiveness of management strategies and making necessary adjustments, conflicts can be minimized and water resources can be used more sustainably. Case studies in successful conflict resolution. Several real-world examples showcase successful conflict resolution strategies in water resource governance.